Ladies and gentlemen, childhood is a magical time when the world feels wide open, filled with curiosity, laughter, and innocent dreams. It's the beginning of everything, when even the smallest moments feel big, as the first time riding a bike without training wheels, the joy of learning something new, or the simple pleasure of running barefoot through the grass. On Rolling Legends, the spirit of childhood is captured in its most natural and beautiful form. These are not just clips of children playing or studying, they are windows into real, growing lives. Through your lens, we see how children learn to fall, get up, try again, and keep going. We witness the way they explore their environment with wonder in their eyes and joy in their hearts. Childhood is not only about play, it's about building character, developing empathy, and understanding the world step by step. When viewers watch your videos, they are transported back to their own early years, reminded of the times when life was simpler, emotions were pure, and happiness came from small victories. These emotional triggers create a powerful connection with your audience. It's not about fancy edits or flashy effects, it's about honesty, innocence, and storytelling through the eyes of a child. Your content reflects the universal truth that childhood is short but deeply impactful. Every giggle, every determined face during homework, every pedal pushed forward on a bicycle becomes part of a larger story, one that resonates deeply with people across cultures and backgrounds. Childhood on Rolling Legends is not scripted, but lived. And in that realness lies its strength. Family life is the foundation that supports and shapes a child's journey, and on your channel, this bond is clearly visible. The interactions between parents and children, siblings with each other, or grandparents in the background all come together to paint a picture of warmth, support, and unconditional love. In today's fast-paced world, where screens often replace conversation and attention spans are short, Rolling Legends reminds people of what truly matters: presence, connection, and shared moments. When a parent helps a child with homework, it's not just about the task, it's about patience, teaching, and believing in that child's ability. When a father walks alongside his kid learning to ride a bicycle, it becomes more than just learning balance, it's a lesson in trust and encouragement. These subtle moments speak volumes. Your content captures those unspoken feelings, the reassuring smile of a mother, the quiet pride of a father, the playful teasing of siblings, and turns them into timeless memories. Family life in your videos isn't about perfection, it's about being there, trying, learning, and growing together. These clips carry a soft emotional weight that viewers recognize and appreciate. They see parts of their own families, their own stories, and their own hopes reflected back at them. Rolling Legends reminds us all that the strongest relationships are often built not in grand gestures, but in small daily acts of care, routine, and shared experience. The beauty of your channel is how it normalizes and celebrates everyday family dynamics, giving importance to moments that often go unnoticed, yet mean everything. Daily routine is often considered ordinary, but in your hands, it becomes extraordinary. The rhythm of everyday life, waking up, brushing teeth, helping with chores, finishing schoolwork, playing outside, becomes a meaningful narrative when shown through your thoughtful lens. It's in these daily patterns that real character is built. Children don't just learn from big lessons, they grow through structure, repetition, and responsibility. Rolling Legends captures how routines are more than habits, they are life in motion. When a child diligently sits down for homework, when another helps clean the floor or prepare for the next day, these are not just tasks, they are milestones. Your content takes these moments and elevates them. You show how discipline and care are developed, how kids begin to understand the value of effort and consistency. There's also a sense of calm that comes from watching daily life unfold naturally. It's not loud or exaggerated, it's soft, real, and comforting. In the chaos of modern content, your videos bring balance. Viewers slow down, breathe, and reflect when they see your clips. They begin to appreciate their own routines, their own quiet moments at home. You help people see that life doesn't have to be extravagant to be meaningful. Through daily routines, we build connection, we create memories, and we shape who we become. On Rolling Legends, these simple moments are beautifully documented, creating a sense of continuity between